When you log into the study site, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. This is a personal hub for organising your studies. The calendar function allows you to add both personal and study deadlines and sync to your own calendar on any device. We have provided a My Tasks list, which is your own personal to-do list. You can add tasks, mark them complete, as well as filter to complete only, incomplete only, and all tasks. My Cohort gives you a snapshot of the other students who are studying alongside you on the programme. When you hover over their name, you will be able to see a quick view of their profile. Simply click View Profile to find out more. Notifications will appear whenever you receive a message in the tutorial area, in Messages, or when you receive a reply to a post within the forums. From the dashboard, you can directly access your programme, which includes the induction and all learning materials, a variety of resources including study guides and academic forums, and the university's online library. Simply select Programme. You will find all your learning materials within the Learning Path tab. Our learning materials are specifically designed to introduce key concepts and challenge you to put your newly acquired skills, knowledge and techniques into practice. Our learning materials are broken down into bite-sized sections and are designed to be read sequentially. You will be required to complete activities regularly. When you upload work for an activity, it will automatically go to the corresponding activity folder in your tutorial area. The tutorial area is designed for private, one-to-one discussion with your tutor. From here, you will receive unlimited and continuous feedback from your tutor, who will answer any message within 24 hours, Monday to Friday. As well as uploading activities, you can also post questions for your tutor at any time, tag a message to a file, or upload further files for review. There are two areas within the study site that are designed for collaboration: the studio and the forums. The studio is a shared area within the study site where you will collaborate with each other to complete group activities set in the learning path of each course. You can upload work into shared albums, Word documents, images, PDFs, create and work on shared documents together, as well as view, comment and provide feedback on each other's work. We encourage you to network and discuss ideas within the forums. You can create a new topic at any time for general group discussion, and you will also be required to participate in forum debates more formally within activity work. Where this is the case, simply select the forum from the list and post your answer. You can attach files or quote another forum post within your response. All of the activity work you complete during the programme will help you to gain the skills required to complete the assessments and ultimately pass the learning outcomes for each course.